Hi, thanks for joining me at For a Better You. Today I'm going to show you how to take photos of your eyes. You may have an iridologist that's asking you to do your own photos for a remote reading. They basically want a really close-up picture of your eye so they can see the fibers and the pigments to be able to do that reading and show you all the information that your eye can tell. Now they need a really clear, crisp picture that's in focus and as close as you can get. So today I'm going to show you how to take a picture of each of your eyes that will be great for reading. You're going to need a phone. I'm using an iPhone 8. You're going to need a mirror, a wall mirror or bathroom mirror, and you're going to need a flashlight or a pen light. I'm going to show you my photos at the end of this video and show you just exactly how close up and perfect these pictures can be for your iridology reading. Join me inside. Hi, so I'm back and we're in my bathroom. I've turned out all the lights and I'm in front of a mirror. I have my iPhone and I'm going to be using my photo mode. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to enlarge it. And here you can see the 1.8x. I usually go between 2 and 2.4. We can do 2.6 today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mirror to be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to hold my phone up. Now you're going to remove your glasses and you're going to remove your contacts before you start. And you're going to make sure that your flash is on. Flash is on. I'm at 2.8 and I'm going to return to this in the mirror. Now the mirror is twofold. It lets you see where you're positioning your eye on the screen and where to hit the button when you're ready. So I'm going to zoom this in as close as I can to my eye. And with my opposite eye, I'm looking in the mirror to see how close I am. Maybe just an inch back. You're just trying to get the phone to focus. You may have to do this several times. You may have to take the picture several times. But now I'm going to use my finger and looking in the mirror, I'm going to hit the button. Let's see. And I may want to enlarge just a little bit more, zoom in. There we go. I can see that it's focusing on my eye. I'm going to open my eye wide. And I'm just going to take one more. And I'm going to go a little closer and take one more. My eye is centered. Try not to blink. Then you can go back and take a look. Now I can see lots of fibers, lots of pigments. Now if your iridologist has asked you to do the same for your sclera, you're going to basically zoom in again. I was at 3.9 when I took those photos. You can do the same with your sclera. You have to use your hand to open up your eye. Go look over. Pretty close. And I'm going to use the pen light to shine into the side of the eye. Get a little closer. My phone looks like it's focused. Now you want to be careful with the glare from the pen light, that it doesn't shine too much on the iris and block some of that color or information that your iridologist is going to need. If you have brown eyes, this is going to bring out a lot of the detail. Good luck. Let me know how you're doing. Leave a comment and I will definitely show you some pictures after I upload this video. Thanks for coming by. Bye.